Hello students, welcome again to my channel. And here the first question is the palisade cells. Palisade seems a new word for you. Let me brief you on this. Leaf has palisade cells. So we have already studied that there are two types of cells in the organisms. One are somatic cells which do not help in the reproduction. Other than these, whenever we are talking about gametes, they are always haploid. So somatic cells, they will always be 2n or diploid, and gametes, they will always be haploid or n. Right? So palisade cells of a species of a plant contain 28 chromosomes. That means they have given us the case that 2n is equals to 28. How many chromosomes will be there in the gamete? Very simple. N is equals to 28 upon 2 is equals to 14. And you can compare as well. Here 28 should be compared to 14. 14 is just the half of 28. So that means 28 is somatic cell and 14 is the gamete one. So right answer will be option C, 14. Next is in human, how many chromosomes will be there in the brain cell? So brain cell will be 2n, and human beings have 46 chromosomes in each cell. So brain cell will be 2n or with 46 chromosomes. Sperm in the testes will be haploid, because the sperm is a gamete. So 46 half is 23, right? So sperm will have 23 chromosomes. An egg which has just produced by the ovary, egg will also be haploid because it is an example of a gamete. So 46 upon 2 will be valid here. So egg will also have 23 chromosomes. Skin cell will be diploid because it is an example of a somatic cell. So it will have 46 chromosomes. Fertilized egg, that means it has fused with the male gamete, so it will also fall in the category of diploid, and thus it will be having 46 chromosomes. Such type of questions may also come from chapter 8, so please do revise them well. Next question is, in a normal human cell, 46 chromosomes are being there. How many chromosomes will be there in the human sperm and zygote? So you need to write normal human cell. It is given in the question. You'll be writing like this: normal human cell has 46 chromosomes. Gametes have half the number of chromosomes than normal cells, right? So sperms and ovum, or sperms or zygote, here we will not be writing zygote, rather we would be writing ovum. So sperm and ovum, they will be haploid structures, right? So sperm here will be haploid, and 46 half again will make 23 chromosomes in the sperm. Zygote is formed by the fusion of male and female gamete. So male gamete will have 23 chromosomes, sperm will have 23, and ovum will also have 23. So when both will be fusing together, zygote will have 46 chromosomes. Next question, the gene for red hair is recessive. So we will be writing here for our knowledge that red is recessive character, whereas the black one is the dominant one, of course, because one has to be dominant and one has to be recessive. The question is asking what will be the hair color of a person if he inherits a gene for red hair color from his mother and black hair from his father. That means the genotype is this one. What will be the hair color? That means ye small r that has come from mother and capital R has come from the father. This means this is the genotype of the person that they are asking in the question. Here, because one dominant allele is there, so that means the color of the hair will be black. I hope you have understood all the problems that are taken till now. Stay connected for the 4 more videos. Thank you.